Whatever you need, just say the word. That shit official, man. And let little bro know nigga fuck with him too. 5 nigga fuck with little bro. Nigga fuck with. Say, bro, but as far as you, man, whatever you want, whatever. Later, Miami, maybe New York. You hear me? So, whenever you ready, you just give us some dates, and wherever we at, you come vibe with us, bro. Come fuck with us, bro.
You already know that. You already know that I'm fucking with you, but I love you.
Real talk, love you too, nigga. This shit real, bro. You heard me? Come on, bro. We come up from the trenches with this shit. Chill, bro. You heard me, Five? But whenever you ready, we ready, bro. I personally wanted to tell you, like, you heard me? Because Beezer mentioned it to me, and I personally wanted to tell you, like, man, whenever you ready, man, whatever, man. I wouldn't give a fuck what it is, blood. You heard me, Five? I just wanted to share that with you, blood. That's all I wanted. Real rap.
Whoop, this gang on bang,
yeah.
Bitch.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, you on my shit. Yeah, that type of time. You heard me? Yeah, we on that.
Yeah, we could have got that
You know we ride fly. On that 5G. Got the biggest guns. Looking hot to the skip. Just brush on. Man, skip church off that weak ass shit. Woo woo. Yeah. I wanna race, I'll race.